Hey, this is my gamer review for Super Mario Odyssey for the Nintendo Switch. This is the cover, this is the back. It's a really fun game of Super Mario if you're a Mario fan. So you play as Mario. The difference is though he has this hat and then he wears the hat and it has eyes. It's a character. And then when he throws the hat and it hits an enemy, you can either attack the enemy or you can turn into the enemy, and then you can use their powers to like fly around or something, an ability that they have to progress in the stage or in the world that you're in. So he has a ship, and then he goes to different worlds, and then you have to complete different tasks and missions in that world and collect the different moons. And it's pretty cool game, very fun. Each world is very different, so it's one of them. So a couple of them are like cultural, like one kind of looks like Mexico, and then or it has ice or it has like a jungle. So it's very fun. It's the only gripe I have with it. You can get stuck here and there, so you might need a guide to kind of progress if you get stuck. But it's a super fun game. I really like it. It's a different spin on Super Mario, and yeah, I hope you check it out.